Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best mirror dash cams for 2026. Whether you drive a truck, van, or SUV, these dash cams will upgrade your driving experience with crystal clear video, advanced safety features, and convenient rear view integration. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. 60 FPS 9.2-inch OEM rear view mirror camera. Our first pick is the 60 FPS 9.2-inch OEM rear view mirror camera. This mirror dash cam offers 2K front and rear recording with digital signal transmission and a bright IPS screen. It also comes with night vision, parking monitor, and a 64GB SD card, making it perfect for trucks, vans, and SUVs. Pros: smooth 60 FPS recording, clear night vision, large IPS display for easy viewing, plug and play with included 64GB SD card. Cons: slightly larger size may not fit all dashboards. No GPS tracking feature. Overall, it's an excellent choice if you want high-quality video and reliable night vision without breaking the bank. Number 2. Mirror dash cam with STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. Next up, we have the mirror dash cam with STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. This one's a beast with 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, 12-inch rear view mirror, and features like G-sensor, GPS, BSD, voice control, and loop recording. It even includes a 128GB SD card and OBD hardwire kit. Pros: ultra-high-resolution 4K front camera, advanced safety features like BSD and GPS, voice control for hands-free operation, large storage support with 128GB card. Cons: premium price, slight learning curve for setup. This is ideal for tech-savvy drivers who want top-notch video quality and advanced smart features. Number 3. AUTO-VOX V5 Pro 1080p 9.35-inch mirror dashcam. The AUTO-VOX V5 Pro is a 1080p mirror dashcam with a 9.35-inch ultra-thin touchscreen. Its full laminated screen reduces glare and it delivers superb night vision. Perfect for drivers who want a sleek and minimalistic design. Pros: no glare, full laminated touchscreen, excellent night vision, slim design fits most vehicles. Cons: 1080p resolution is lower than some competitors. Limited advanced features. An elegant solution for drivers who value style and clear nighttime recording. Number 4. PORMIDO OEM 2K rear view mirror camera. Next, the PORMIDO OEM 2K rear view mirror camera. It has a 10-inch smart touchscreen and a detached front backup camera with features like built-in GPS, parking monitor, night vision, and a 64GB card. Perfect for drivers wanting flexibility and high-quality video. Pros: 2K recording quality, detached front camera for flexible installation, built-in GPS for tracking routes, touchscreen interface. Cons: slightly larger footprint. Some users may find the menu slightly complex. If you want versatility and GPS tracking, this PORMIDO model is a solid pick. And finally, we have the PORMIDO triple 12-inch mirror dashcam. This one comes with 3 channels, front, inside, and rear, with Sony sensors, STARVIS night vision, GPS, parking assist, and waterproof backup cameras for full coverage and advanced safety. Pros: triple channel recording, superior night vision with Sony sensors, GPS and parking assist included, waterproof cameras for outdoor reliability. Cons: bulkier design, installation may require more time. This is the ultimate dashcam setup for drivers who want full coverage and advanced safety features. Thanks for watching our top 5 mirror dash cams for 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews, car gadgets, and smart driving tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update and check the links in the description to grab your favorite dashcam. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.